Disney Magic Mobile Passes allow you to access your Disney Vacation Essentials from your phone. If you are not going to purchase Magic Bands, you will need to set this up before your trip. This step is not necessary if you will be using Magic Bands. Magic Mobile Passes are how you will enter the theme parks and Lightning Lane entrances for the attraction selections you make with the Disney Genie Plus service. Connect Disney Photo Pass or Memory Maker images to your account and charge purchases to the card on file at your Disney Resort hotel room. To ensure you receive your Memory Maker photos in your account, be sure to enable Bluetooth location services on your phone. To get started, click on the 3 lines on the bottom right of your screen. Next, click on Disney Magic Mobile. If your resort reservation is linked to your account, the app will find eligible guests. Click Set up your pass to get started. Next, you will select the people who are traveling with you to add their park passes to your wallet. You can customize the appearance of your passes as well. You'll see lots of choices from characters to parks and more. Select your favorite image for each pass in your wallet. Next, click Add to Apple Wallet. Then click Add, which allows you to use your passes with your iPhone and Apple Watch. The passes and Express mode will be automatically added to any device that uses your Apple ID. Anyone in your party who has their own My Disney Experience account should create a Disney Magic Mobile Pass on their device. To share Magic Mobile Passes with other people traveling with your party, log in and click on the 3 lines at the bottom right of the screen and click on Disney Magic Mobile. On the next screen, you will see your passes. Click on Select Passes to Share. Choose your passes, and then click Share via Messages. The person you are sharing with will receive the passes via text and can add them to their wallet. You can use Express mode to enter the parks and Lightning Lanes by tapping your phone near Disney's access points without unlocking your phone. For friends and family who have passes in your wallet, double-click the side or home button to open your Apple Wallet. Then, swipe to their pass to use it. Click on Done, and just like that, you're all set up and ready for fun.